This video will show you how to install the open source project Keptn. Start by adding the Keptn Helm chart. Next, install the Keptn Helm chart to the Keptn namespace. Wait for all of the pods in the Keptn namespace to be running. This may take a few moments. When all of the pods have started, get the services in the Keptn namespace. To access the Keptn UI, we need to expose the API Gateway Nginx service. Either do this during install by setting the API Gateway Nginx type to load balancer, or do it now by port forwarding to the API Gateway Nginx. Open a web browser and go to localhost on port 8080. You should be presented with a basic authentication login box. In a new terminal, retrieve the Keptn Bridge username. Repeat the command to retrieve the randomly generated password. Use these details to log into the bridge. And there you have it. Keptn is installed online and the bridge is exposed. You're ready to create a new Keptn project. Thanks for watching.